Today's rhythm exercise is focused on the simple time signature 216. This is part 1 of 13. Welcome to my studio, Bach To Basics. This channel is where you can find videos to further your music studies. Now, while I count the number of leaves on my bamboo plants, let's read some rhythms. If you found this video helpful, click like or subscribe, or visit my Patreon page linked in the description below for early access to videos like these and, well, whatever else I'm doing over there. Thanks for watching. I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.